I remember when the crypto market used to be the place to be. Daily runs of 20% or more were common, every coin and token was exploding higher, and some people were lucky enough to get 50x gains. Now, fast forward to today, and as of right now, the bond market is more volatile than the crypto market. Go figure. Now, even though the next 6 to 12 months will likely continue to be very challenging in the financial markets, the developments going on in crypto right now are unlike anything I've seen before. And when you add all of these together, it makes me more certain than ever that the next bull run in crypto is going to take so many people by surprise. And so in this video, we're going to take a look at the biggest developments that have happened in just the last few weeks. Now, if you do enjoy anything in the video, as always, drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. Okay, so we have to remember that it was only in the last couple of years that the crypto narrative was that crypto is a scam, crypto is a bubble compared to tulips, and will soon disappear. Now, let's take a look at what's been going on behind all the FUD in just the last couple of weeks. And so our journey begins in the heart of Europe. And we had the story that BlackRock, the world's largest money manager, was getting into crypto, launching their ETF for the United States. Well, now we have the story that they're expanding their ETF for European clients. And a great story to begin with. Next, we have Binance continuing with their world domination as they've secured another crypto license, and this time in Dubai. And this means Binance can now offer crypto services to qualified retail and institutional investors. So the great work continues by CZ. And building on top of that, we've just had the news that the firm 21 Shares will be launching a Bitcoin ETP in the Middle East. So for all intents and purposes, ETP, exchange traded product, is like an ETF. And it's the one you want. It's a physically backed Bitcoin ETF for people now in the Middle East. So more and more countries getting their Bitcoin ETF. And all I can say is, come on, USA. And it's not only Binance that's building around the world. Coinbase gains in principle approval for a crypto license in Singapore. And you can see the Coinbase execs here are very, very happy, as this is a key institutional market, according to the CEO of Coinbase. And as we all know, it's the institutional market that's really going to move the prices. Next, we head on over to France, and we learn that the third biggest bank also wants a slice of this crypto pie. Societe Generale have built a new suite of services geared to asset managers. And this will be not just Bitcoin, but also cryptocurrency. And how big is this French banking giant? Well, they're only bringing $1.4 trillion of assets under management to the table. And remember, the entire crypto market as it stands today is not even 1 trillion. And this is just one banking group. Next up, we head to the Caribbean and we learn that Dominica have allowed Tron to become legal tender. And there'll be Tron native tokens will be accepted as a medium of payment in the Commonwealth of Dominica. And so we see more cryptocurrency becoming legal tender, which is awesome. Next, heading into Spain, and we learn that Spain's largest telecommunications company, Telefonica, will be allowing purchases with crypto. And they've also partnered and investing in a local exchange, Bit2Me. Now, it's hard to pin down exactly where Binance is from, as they're now technically a decentralized company. So they've got offices all around the world with no major head office. And this is huge news, as Google, one of the biggest tech companies in the world, is now pushing crypto adoption. BNB Chain to collab with Google Cloud to bolster Web3 and blockchain startups. Now, if this news hit in a bull market, this would have sent prices through the roof. And yet, amazingly, it barely budged the price. Now, as we move to a very friendly country, Switzerland, we learned that McDonald's is participating in a crypto-friendly experiment. And you're now going to be able to use Bitcoin and Tether to pay for your burger. So clearly, McDonald's are they're loving it. And we have to head to the United States, as they are still the #1 economy in the world, so the biggest and best stories will be coming from the States. And this one is huge. Nasdaq will also begin crypto custody for institutional clients. And the Nasdaq, which only lists the top 100 tech companies in the world, allowing crypto custody. Just think how much money this could potentially bring. Then Colorado becomes the first US state to accept Bitcoin as a payment for taxes. And it's not just Bitcoin, residents can pay state taxes with Bitcoin, and it just says cryptocurrency. And this is very, very clever. So the government are basically saying, come and exchange your dollars and give us your Bitcoin. Very, very clever. Then talk about mass adoption, as now you can buy your crypto hardware wallets at the major retail stores. So this was from Target, and this is when crypto becomes ubiquitous. You'll soon be able to get your hardware wallets at every electrical store you can find. So this is great to see. Then, not too long ago, we knew that FTX had partnered with MasterCard to be rolling out crypto, but now they've partnered with Visa to permit crypto payments in over 40 countries. And just think, worldwide, there's about 200 countries. So just one news story alone is bringing crypto payments to 40 countries. So each one of these stories is huge for crypto, yet we've had a dozen of them in just the last couple of weeks. And here is another doozy. America's oldest bank, Bank New York Mellon, also wants to get a slice of the crypto pie, and yet another place that wants to hold your crypto. And they also bring a cool $1.4 trillion of assets under management. So we recently learned that Google was partnering with Binance, and here we learn Google also selects Coinbase to take cloud payments with crypto and use it as a custody tool. So a couple of stories here. Not only will Google start allowing some customers to pay for cloud services, the huge story here is Google is exploring using Coinbase Prime for storage and trading crypto. Now just think how big the next bull market cycle is going to be if Google gets into the game and offers a place to store your crypto and also get into trading. Again, just this one story is huge. And then this is a nice place to finish on, which is something that I recently shared. And as you'll probably know, Bitcoin works in 4-year cycles around the halving event. So my question to you is, can you spot the pattern? Starting here in 2013, we had a huge run in crypto, followed by a 60% pullback in 2014. Then a very good year, followed by a great year. 2017, another huge run in crypto, then a 70% pullback in 2018, followed by a very good year and a great year. Now, 2021, a very good year for Bitcoin. Here we are right now, currently at about a 60% pullback. And so who feels optimistic about the next 2 years? And for anyone who just says, yeah, but this time is different. Now we've got a huge global mess and a recession to go through. Well, it's not that hard to have a good year at this point. So if Bitcoin were to go from around 20K today and it's got all of next year to get to 40K, I would say is quite conservative. That would be a 100% gain. So for me, I would say we are right on track. And so the speed and pace of crypto integration is getting ridiculous. From not too long ago, crypto is dead, to now trillion-dollar asset management companies trying to store your crypto, buying your burger at Mcdonald's with crypto, the world's largest tech companies like Google trying to integrate with crypto, and yet not one of these stories has sent crypto soaring. And that is the power of a bear market. And for me, the case continues to build that the next bull run is going to make all the previous ones seem like a little league. And I predict a couple of years from now, people will point back to right now and say you were so lucky to buy crypto at these levels. If it was me, I would have gone all in. Would you? Did you? And so yes, right now would seem an amazing time to buy, but crypto could still drop 50% before the next cycle begins. However, also remember this: no matter how low crypto goes, there will always be people out there saying crypto will be going even lower, no matter what the price falls to. So don't get scared out of pulling the trigger. And when the tide turns, and it's only a matter of time, the next bull run is going to be shocking. However, in the words of CZ, as only you know your financial position, not financial advice. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Exciting times for crypto behind all the FUD. But for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like. And a big thank you to everyone who does. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.